Unlock a deeper understanding of your financial health by creating your free Experian account today. First, head over to the official Experian website. You'll be looking for the Sign Up or Create Account option, usually found prominently on the homepage. Click on that to begin the process. The next step is to provide some basic information to verify your identity. You'll need a valid email address. And to create a secure password, Experian needs this information to ensure your account is safe and personalized. You'll also be asked to enter your personal details, such as your full name, current address, and date of birth. This helps Experian link your account to your unique credit profile. To further secure your account, Experian may ask you to set up security questions or verify your identity via phone number or email. Follow the prompts carefully to complete this crucial step. Before you finalize, you'll need to review and agree to Experian's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these important documents. And just like that, you've successfully created your Experian account. You can now log in anytime to access your free credit report, monitor your credit score, and explore all the valuable tools Experian offers for managing your credit and protecting your identity.